Connecting your Samsung System air conditioner floor to SmartThings for Android users. Make sure your Wi-Fi router and system air conditioner floor are both turned on. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled on your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel, and check that Wi-Fi is turned on. If Wi-Fi is disabled, tap its icon to turn it on. Close the panel and open the SmartThings app. On the Devices tab, tap Add in the top right corner. Tap Scan under Scan QR code and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your system air conditioner floor. SmartThings app QR codes may vary by product. If you want to select the product from the list instead, tap Air Conditioner in the By Device Type list below. Tap Samsung, and then tap System Air Conditioner, Floor. Tap Start. On the remote control, press and hold the timer button for at least 5 seconds until AP appears on your air conditioner. SmartThings will begin connecting the system air conditioner floor to your phone. Place your phone close to the system air conditioner floor for a few seconds. To connect to Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi network you are using. Then, enter your Wi-Fi password. The system air conditioner floor will be registered to your Samsung account. Connection is complete. You can rename your system air conditioner floor if desired. Tap Done. Next, you will see the system air conditioner floor screen. The system air conditioner floor card will be added to the SmartThings app.